In this video, we will be looking at the word class prepositions. A preposition is a word or group of words that explains something's position, time, or movement within a sentence. Prepositions usually sit before a noun phrase to show their relationship with another word in the sentence. Let's take a look at some examples of prepositions that show time, place, and movement. Before, after, during, in, on, and at are all examples of prepositions of time. They can help to explain when something in the sentence is happening. I would like to see an octopus during this trip. At break time, we played football. In, on, under, behind, around, between, and at are all examples of prepositions of place. They can help to explain where something in the sentence is happening. The cat squeezed between the two houses. At the traffic lights, turn right. To, into, along, with, across, through, over, and above are all examples of prepositions of movement. They can all help to explain how something in the sentence is happening. The cow jumped over the fence. The hockey puck flew through the air and into the net. Let's take a look at our first question. You're being asked to circle one preposition in each of the following sentences. The dog found its favourite toy in the box. We stayed home during the thunderstorm. Have you spotted the preposition in the first sentence? That's right, it's the word in. In is being used to explain the place that the dog found its toy. What about the second sentence? Well done if you said during. The preposition during is being used to explain the time that we stayed home. Hoo-yah! Let's take a look at another question. In this one, you're being asked to circle the three prepositions in the sentence. If you're not sure, try finding the noun phrases in the first sentence. This is because the preposition usually comes before a noun phrase. Before the pizza making class, we washed our hands with soap and went into the school kitchen. What do you think? Have you spotted the three prepositions? The three prepositions in this sentence are the words before, with, and into. They each come before a noun phrase and are being used to explain time, place, or movement. It's time for our final question. In this one, you're being asked to tick each sentence that contains a preposition. Pause your video now and hit play when you have an answer. Do you have an answer? Great. Let's take a look at the four sentences. The children walked slowly past the shop. They fed the rabbits some hay. We collected several juicy berries. She will travel around the world. There are two sentences here that need to be ticked. The children walked slowly past the shop contains the preposition past. She will travel around the world contains the preposition around. Well done if you spotted both of these. Hoo-yah! I hope this video has helped you with understanding all about prepositions. If you're looking for even more SPaG help, we have lots of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. See you soon!